All right, let's do a little review of some expanded form. Now, if you remember on expanded form, we would basically take a number like 846, and we would write it in a longer explanation, essentially, where we could take the 800 and add it to 40, and then also add the 6, which gave us the 846. So that essentially is just what our expanded form is. We're writing it the longer way, putting it all together for the final number. Now the other way we could write it, 8 times 100, we know that's 800, plus 4 times 10, we know that's 40, plus 6 times 1, we know that's 6. So that's essentially what we're doing with expanded form. But now what I want you to do, we're going to look at a number, and this is what you're going to do some practices on. So if we had 372, now, if you remember when we had the place value charts like this one here. So now, let me go ahead and get my pen, and I'm going to draw them in different colors. So if I have 2 over here in the hundredths, since it's purple, I know that'd be 1/100th, and that would be a chip. But that would also be written as 0.01. And we've got 2 of those, right? So we could actually write it as 2. For now, for today's issues, though, we're doing it as circles. So I won't make you write the numbers inside. Now let's look at our tenths. Well, my tenths are 7. So I would write 7. I'm going to do 1. And that's 1/10. Whoops. 2. That would also be 0.1, right? Because 0.01 is hundredths, 0.1 is 10. Now I'm just going to draw the others. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then I go over to my ones. Ones are quite easy, and I'm going to draw them in blue. So there's 1, it's worth 1, 2, and 3. And we could add those up. So we've got 3 in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Okay, so that is showing how we're going to put those numbers on a numbers chart. So now I'm going to give you some practice ones to do, and then we're going to go over another way as well. So do these first, and then I'll give you some practice to solve as well.